Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S8 V10 and the A8 W12. We will delve into the heart of these two magnificent machines, exploring their unique engine configurations and the driving sensations they offer. Understanding their differences is key to appreciating what makes each vehicle special. We'll look at horsepower, torque, and how these translate to real-world performance, helping you decide which might better suit your preferences. The Audi S8, a true performance sedan, is powered by a magnificent 5.2-liter V10 engine. This naturally aspirated powerhouse delivers an exhilarating 450 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. Its design emphasizes a high-revving character, providing a thrilling and responsive driving experience. The S8 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.9 seconds, showcasing its impressive speed and agility. In contrast, the Audi A8 W12 offers a different kind of power with its unique 6.0-liter W12 engine. This sophisticated engine also produces 450 horsepower, but delivers a robust 428 pound-feet of torque. The W12 is known for its smooth, effortless power delivery, making it ideal for long-distance cruising. It achieves a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in around 5.1 seconds, providing refined yet potent acceleration. When it comes to the driving experience, the V10 in the S8 delivers a raw, visceral feel, with a captivating engine sound that encourages spirited driving. The W12 in the A8, however, prioritizes supreme comfort and effortless power, offering a quieter, more composed journey. Your preference truly dictates the winner. The S8 V10 for an engaging, sporty drive, or the A8 W12 for unparalleled luxury and smooth, potent performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.